Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone restarting itself. So guys, let's get start this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, check and update apps on your iPhone. So for this, go to App Store here. Now tap on the profile icon in the right corner. So here you can see guys, up, applications. So simply update your apps. So update your all apps here, and then after this the next solution is update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update. So wait for checking for update. So guys, if you have available any update on your iPhone, so update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So here you can see guys, my iPhone is updated to the latest version here, iOS 17. So go back now, and then after this the next solution is remove your SIM card and insert it again, and then after this the next solution is reset all settings on your iPhone. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, into your passcode. So guys, this will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted from your iPhone. So simply tap on reset all settings. Go, so go back now, and then after this, so guys, here are the some simple solutions to fix your iPhone issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.